What an honor and privilege it is to be here with the president of Adrian College, Dr. Jeffrey Docking. And gosh, Dr. Docking, we've talked about this before, but every time I come here and look at this stadium, it just kind of takes me aback a little bit what you and your staff and your kids and the community have come together to do. Just give me a couple thoughts on the stadium.
Well, the stadium is really the linchpin in a much bigger expansion we've had at the college. We have a hockey rink now. We have a new baseball stadium, track and field complex. It's just been unbelievable what it's done for our enrollment growth. You know, we set this whole system up so that we could grow from about 850 kids 3 years ago to over 1,400 students today. In fact, I think we're at 1,470. And of course, more students at a private college means more money, more budget to put towards academic affairs. And so our budget has almost doubled in 3 years, and it's been a real boon to the entire area.
Dr. Docking, that's a perfect segue. We're going to get you your own TV show. The academics, Adrian was always, solid academically, but you came in with your staff and said, hey, that's good, we're solid, but we want to be the best. And you've taken an approach to do that and kind of raising the mantle academically here. And tell the folks at home out in the BCSN land how you're doing that.
Well, what we've done is we've leveraged a lot of co-curricular activities like hockey, football, marching band, student newspaper. And what we found when you get these types of kids is that they're better academically. And so, for instance, our average ACT scores have climbed to over 24. We have several students that are over 30 on the ACT. We have over 25% of our freshman class coming in the top 15% of their high school class. And when you bring those kinds of students in that can do college work, they stay here. You have less attrition, and it ends up becoming a four-year experience that when they're alums, they want to give back to the institution someday too. So it really just kind of feeds on itself. And in fact, probably the best compliment we've gotten in the last month has been U.S. News and World Report picked 5 colleges out in the nation that were baccalaureate institutions that they said keep an eye on these places, they're going somewhere, and Adrian was one of them. So U.S. News and World Report is the report card in higher education. Everybody reads it, and to be identified as one of 5 in the nation was really, really big for us.
Well, Dr. Docking, you and your staff and the entire crew here at Adrian deserves that. The synergy that you've created here at this school is fantastic. But I got to ask you, it's more than just facilities, which are spectacular. But when you come here at Adrian and we speak with you and Ashley Lee and Coach Lyle and AD Mike Duck, there's always it's a warm, friendly, positive, that positive vibe here. How do you create that?
Well, of course, you're talking about culture, which is a very difficult thing to work on. But if you really pay attention to bringing in good people and you tell everybody, just make your little place in this universe good. Make it positive. Put the students first. Create a good educational experience. And all those little pockets of the universe add up into a very good campus environment. At a small school, obviously, that's easier than a big school, and the hope is that the students will get out of here and look back 20 years from now and say those are the 4 greatest years of my life. The other thing that makes that terrific is that we've got a faculty that here because they want to teach.
Right.
They like to research, they do their research, but teaching is first. And I think 18 to 22-year-olds need faculty that puts teaching first. And so all of that creates an experience for the kids that then leads to momentum and all the other stuff that you're talking about. And once you have momentum, you don't want to lose that. So that's why every day we're just trying to get better. We're never satisfied, always want to get better.
Dr. Docking, you're truly a Renaissance man. Thank you for all the hard work and dedication in improving the lives of these young kids going to Adrian College, Doc. Thank you.
Tommy. Appreciate that.
Our pleasure. We'll be back with more on BCSN.